This is another Arduino project for beginners, and this video is on how to build a traffic light system using Arduino. And in this video I will show you all the details, like how you can connect the wires, and I'll give you the link to get the code also, so you will have the code and everything. So if you visit this URL, this is my official blog where you can read the material, and you will also have the wire connections and then the code, the Arduino code. So you can copy the code from here and paste into Arduino, and then we have explained the code also, how the code is going to work, and then you can test. So everything is here. So let's get into the wire connection, and then I will upload the code and test. So see here, now the connection is done, and the code has been uploaded successfully, and now it is working. So this is how it will work. You will see we have 3 different lights, right? So these are blinking, like yellow, green and red. So that's a very simple project.